dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's you lost. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
The energy flows. The team is on fire. The victory is coming. What is bet? This is you.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough to fit my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly.
That's why I require
Watch
a
this.
stitches.
Oh, right there. Oh.
Yan, yung pumalbog ang parang probably got it on the ear, and that really compounds. Parang hilupa.
Asian Games dito sa ESPN 5 at sa araw na ito, our first serving para sa inyo. Almazan and Ratliff jumping it up in the middle right before
Mga player movement ng Koreano. And that's going to be an early
second attempt. Up and in. Baba naman agad ang Pilipinas, but there's an outside shot. And that goes in immediately. That's Kim Suni. Quick pass to Almazan. Right side jumper. Couple of bounces and finds the mark. That's a
dangerous Clarkson. Yan, ang kita mo, paatras pa yung tira ni of the roll.
This guy's effective perimeter shooter. He's been doing that for a long time.
Raymond Almazan, pero pumasok. Ito left-handed guy there. This is already by Clarkson.
And the kick out. Another lefty from three-point line. He gets clipped.
You know, we have to look at their shooters from the very start.
Almazan goes out to Paul Lee. Paul Lee step back three.
Looks good.
Gets it to go.
Ratliff, not only is he a back-to-the-basket type of player, he also can attack.
Ratliff, Belga and labanan. Trying to go baseline. Belga shuts it down, but the Ratliff has the power.
And
completes the three. Sa pagkakataon para sa Korea, nahanap ang opening. They want to go alley-oop to Ricardo Ratliff.
Possession arrow will go to Korea because we won the tip, no?
That was to Jordan. Baseline Jay. Doesn't go. Bakbakan sa rebound.
Almazan has 4 points.
Because he's here competing para sa bayan. Outside shot from Gabe Norwood.
Ito yung
That's a
binabanggit
three.
kasi.
Back to Ratliff. Familiar situation. Outside shot from Lee. And this guy's a dead.
Since that it's not a flagrant foul or an unsportsmanlike foul, at the same time, we have
Jordan Clarkson stops and pops from 15.
finally
Gets a basket. Inside to Christian. Spins baseline. Goes up strong.
That was a foul. Yeah, him around. The other guy is an Indian. And pinahinga siguro siya. Hindi pa ba si Clarkson? Yeah, he's Ratliff.
The looper is short, but Ratliff able to get it underneath. The three-point line goes to Kim. They swing it. That's a three. If it goes, and there you go once
You
again.
can see a little frustration on Ratliff because he was...
Clarkson drops it over to Christian. The basket. Korea. Kim finds an opening. Flips it up. Gets some rim, but that's a mid. Nangyari yung maiwanan tayo.
Yeah.
We do recall yung laban in the FIBA Asia Cup. Both goes out to Paul. Long three for Paul Lee. There you go.
The second. fronting job done there by Stan Hardinger. Wow!
Oh, that's what you're saying, Doc.
Taking that kind of a shot, may problema sila.
Clarkson J, once again, same.
Mas mabigat yung katawan niya. But he will still bring it in. And he has 11 na yung bola. Pwede na maagaw ni Paul yun.
Quick release, 3 on the inbound. What a shot. Jordan Clarkson. Kay Chris naman. First attempt from out there. And he gets it too. Back-to-back.
Paul.
Paul wants 3. And he
Yes.
gets it once again. 3 threes for number 3. Pass inside na kay Christian. Christian spins, attacks, gets the 2.
If I'm not mistaken.
Ito na Pilipinas. Christian to the hoop, off the glass. Stan Hardinger.
This one was, I mean, look at this. Get out of the way, you know.
Pringle inside to JP Aram. Short J too strong, but on the tip in.
Yeah, but Aram is there to challenge.
That's a miss, but Ratliff the offensive board and off the glass. Quick pass to the corner, Stan.
Who has to challenge?
And it goes once again. Na para sa kanya. Pringle goes out to JC. He's open from 3. No go.
There is
There
that
you
screen.
go.
You know, that was Aram coming.
Kailangan dyan.
Sino ba
This
ito
guy seems to be
nasaktan?
really hurt.
Yeah, si Lee Jung-hong. Like some of the European countries. Kahit 3 fouls, 4 fouls. They
Goes to Pringle. He'll take the J. And
Yes.
find the mark once again. Stanley Pringle. In rhythm, Stanley Pringle. That corner has been wanting to go back to Ricardo Ratliff.
Ito naman
Finds
si
the
Bo.
opening once again, tapped away. And they were still filling up the gymnasiums. Pinakapahirapan nga makakuha ng ticket is pag naglalaro.
Ay,
Kaysa hindi
libre.
mo nakaagaw, naman naka-knockout play itong Korea.
Number 1. Atin
Tapos
pa rin.
second ball,
Titira si Bo. Wala na.
Hindi na umabot, pero lamang ang...
You play this zone hard is because as we see Stan Hardinger again.
Attack once again. Sa kanto, Jordan Clarkson rather. To the hoop. And you leave with this Clarkson shot inside the paint. Forcing entirely. 8 to shoot. Stan flips it up and in. There you go. To go baseline. He's underneath. Gives it over to Clarkson. Oh, easy shot. What a setup and Stan.
Aram is not what you would say. Ay!
Oh, that's too easy para kay Jordan Clarkson. That ball back. Aram trying to steal it.
Trying to dive to save the ball. No? What an effort.
Save yung bola bago lumabas. Yun, tumama yung mukha eh. His face hit.
That's why I require
Watch
a
this.
little stitches.
Oh, right there. Oh,
Yan, pumalbog ang parang yun.
it was the hard court itself. Oh, there's blood. I think he's one of those guys that's sumasaludo. Diba? Pag nasa nice drive. They finally get a pocket. Open from 3 is Yo. Oh, that finds the mark and a 5. Oh, they threw that one away. Easy basket in transition.
Yeng naman is telling them, we have to rebound. Clarkson!
There you go, coming out of that one.
Penetrating. Clarkson really just squaring up and making the 3-point.
Veteran guy. Christian, off the glass. Finds the mark. Konting spasyo lang kailangan.
That's
just a little
all.
opening and then he'll kill you.
But that was a shot off.
Kick to the corner. Jordan Clarkson takes the jumper. Finds the mark once again. Pass inside, and they tie the ball game. Team baseline drive, leaves it for Ratliff. And there they go once again.
Gandang pass. Real good assist.
Through the defense. It's there to Paul. Balik kay Clarkson, 3 on the way. Finds the mark once again. Run comes into Ratliff. Pass given. This guy just throws it up. Not a chance.
Terrible.
3-on-2 ito, but Norwood's there. They leave it for Jean. 3-pointer good. Kicks it to Almazan. He wants the 3 back. And he'll get it. Raymond Almazan raining it from outside.
It was a good assist pass. Clearly outside the 3 second.
Been here in the second half.
Oh!
That's too easy. Ricardo Ratliff slammer to his teammate, but this one just a switching on the deep right here. That was a
Again,
wala rin kapaguran.
dinahandaan niya si...
Ratliff, kaliwa na naman ang ginamit. He hits it high off the glass. Down that.
I think it's still going to be a very close ball game at the end.
That's a slip inside, but Clarkson gets
To the weak side, they attack. Look at this spectacular shot by...
gets to it first. See Sprinkle inside. The basket is there. Keep fighting. No openings there, but Kim able to find the seam once again. Kim Sun-young,
Very
about a bit out of his range. Now will attack the hoop.
That's a foul.
He'll drive once again. The reverse is short, but they get it back. And another one. Nilabas. This guy has killed us. This guy has killed us here.
White shirts, they're fighting to get the rebound.
Accomplished yung kanyang intention doon sa play na yon. And Ratliff is there for another two. And this guy.
Korea assembled the team to win a championship. And we gave them.
Let's get the fifth place, guys. Go. Stay together, guys. Lema Pilipinas!
Oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path. I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. Yeah.